NASA identifies 3 potential asteroid targets to catch with space lasso. CBS News. cbsnews.com/cbs evening news /cbs this morning /48 hours /60 minutes /Sunday morning /face the nation. Video. U.S. World. Politics. Entertainment. Health. Money Watch. Sci-tech. Crime. Sports. More blogs. The feed battle round the WH Web Show 60 overtime face-to-face resources mobile radio local. Log in join cbsnews.com sign in with profile. Manage my newsletter subscriptions update my email address change my password log out. Space.com/September 12, 2013, 5:06 p.m. NASA identifies 3 potential asteroid targets to catch with space lasso. A notional concept of a solar electric-powered spacecraft, designed to capture a small near-Earth asteroid and relocate it safely close to the Earth-Moon system so astronauts can explore it. NASA. NASA has narrowed the list of candidates down to 3 space rocks for an ambitious mission to capture an asteroid and tow it to the Moon, where it can be explored by astronauts. The space agency's plan aims to bring a 23-foot wide 7-meter space rock into lunar orbit using a robotic space lasso. Once the asteroid is in a stable orbit around the Moon, astronauts can visit as soon as 2021 using NASA's Orion space capsule and the Giant Space Launch System mega rocket. NASA scientists have identified 3 of the best candidates from a list of 14 asteroids that could be prime contenders for this kind of mission. Paul Kowas, the senior scientist in NASA's Near-Earth Object Program Office told reporters in a teleconference Wednesday, September 11. NASA's asteroid capture mission in pictures, how it works. It's mostly orbital constraints that those 14 satisfy, Kowas said. We did not have the opportunity to characterize the size. We have 2 to 3 which we'll characterize in the next year, and if all goes well, those will be valid candidates that could be certified targets and will pass by another in the year 2016. So we have 3 from the list of 14. Kowas also thinks that the future of viable asteroid discovery is bright. NASA scientists could find about 5 more asteroid candidates each year as it prepares for the mission, he said during the teleconference held at the Space 2013 conference held by the American Institute of Aeronautics and Astronautics in San Diego, California. NASA's asteroid capture mission aims to send astronauts to explore an asteroid by 2025, a space exploration goal set by President Barack Obama in 2010. NASA's 2014 budget plan sets aside $100 million to jumpstart the work on the asteroid mission, though the entire project could cost up to $2.6 billion, according to a Keck Institute study. Scientists are searching for a specific kind of space rock to tow into orbit around the Moon. NASA officials want an asteroid that is between 20 and 30 feet 7 and 10 meters in size, which is fairly small for an asteroid. The target size of the near-Earth object is somewhat constrained by the size of the bag and the ability of the robotic probe to wrangle the asteroid back to Earth, Kowas said. Officials are also hoping to capture an asteroid that will be made out of useful material. It would be preferred to have a so-called C-type asteroid, which is one that has hydrated minerals, Kowas said. These are the kinds of asteroids from which you can extract water and oxygen in theory. So this would be a very interesting object to have in distant retrograde orbit around the Moon, because we could get an idea of what would be required to use asteroids as way stations to extract consumables should we need it on the way to Mars, for example. Enhancing the discovery methods for possible asteroid capture mission candidates could also increase the discovery rate for Earth-threatening asteroids, Kowas said. We can't just look for one kind of asteroid and not find the other. With these enhancements, we're going to find more of both kinds. NASA put out a call for proposals from outside groups about the best ways to go about tackling the asteroid mission, and it paid off. The space agency received more than 400 proposals for the asteroid capture mission that officials narrowed down to 96 they planned on discussing in a public workshop taking place from September 30 to October 2. Follow Miriam Kramer at Mirakramer and Google+. Follow us at space.com, Facebook and Google+. Original article on space.com. How to catch an asteroid, NASA mission explained infographic. Animation of proposed asteroid redirect mission vertical line video. Potentially dangerous asteroids images. Copyright 2013 Space.com, a tech media network company.